Hey guys, so the rest of my Sephora came in finally, so hopefully I won't have any more problems with this. Holidays kind of suck, but let's see what I got. Alright, so like I was saying, holidays suck because the post office, I don't care which one it is, FedEx, UPS, USPS, any other variant, they are all just slammed right now. So it's been taking a little longer than expected to get some of these things, but it's kind of nice that they finally came in. Of course, you get the traditional brown paper that comes in all the boxes. The receipt that never shows the price anymore. Bumsville. Alright, so we'll start with the freebie. That is... Those are not the freebies I asked for. Well, okay. Very confused at the moment. I think they kind of screwed up a little bit. Hold on. Where's it at? Okay. So the freebies I was supposed to get was the Tatcha silk, liquid silk canvas, and I got the Clinique foundation and concealer. And the other one was the Juliette Has a Gun Not de Parfum, which I got in my other one. But for this one, instead of getting a second one, I got the Sephora full coverage foundation. So, not what I wanted, not what I asked for, it's not even close. But there's that. Okay, so I'm also very confused now because, okay, so this is one of the things that I did get. It's a reusable little eye patch thing right here. It's a massaging eye roller and cooling under eye gel pad set, right? It's a 3-piece cooling set. I ordered one. Is this the I'm sorry for not getting the samples? I'll take it, but I was charged for one. I got one. I'm so confused. Okay. But the actual thing that I actually wanted are these. So I got the thing I really wanted. Oh, Sephora. So this is what I was supposed to get. One eye roller, the makeup eraser little face towels, the Tatcha silk liquid canvas, and the Juliette Not a Parfum. So that is what I was supposed to get. The total for that was $28.23 with tax. So I'm just confused on why I got two of these. But I guess, I mean, if they're gonna make a mistake, at least make it a good one. So we'll see how these do, since now I have two of them. I guess I can leave one in like the fridge and then use the other one when I'm not using the one in the fridge. But let's see what I got in here for the makeup erasers. There's supposed to be a nude set. Okay. It's a 14 natural set. 14 piece natural set. Okay. Erase all the makeup, just add water. For chia pet now. Alrighty. So let's count box number 1. So we got, oh, these are so soft. Oh my goodness, they're so soft. It's got instructions. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so yes, it is a 14 piece set. I did not know these were so soft. Oh, I love them. They're so amazing. I want these as blankets now. These are so amazing. Okay, never been so much happier. So I've never owned or used makeup eraser. I saw that these were a set. So I was just like, okay, they're 25 bucks. It's a set of 14. It's not 25 for 1, it's 25 for 14. So I will finally jump in and get this little makeup eraser. But in addition to the colors, like, that is so precious. Like, I don't know if you can see any of these really well. This one's white. This one's going to be stained to high heaven. I know that already. But you can see these little guys here. They're like gray and black and brown and like a rose tone color and a kind of a cream color. But they're so freaking soft. Like, I just want to jump in here and then just cuddle up to them. So far I'm very happy with them. Like, I didn't know something could bring you so much joy. Alright, so I'm assuming the other one is exactly the same colors. Yeah, so you get 2 sets of the exact same color. So you get 2 blacks, 2 dark grays, 2 light grays, 2 whites, 2 creams, 2 rose colored pinky ones, and 2 brown ones. So that's a total of, if you use 1 a day, that's 2 weeks worth of makeup cleaning. So that's kind of neat. It's supposed to equal up to 3,600 makeup wipes, which I generally do use makeup wipes, so that is awesome. They're machine washable, obviously reusable. They last between 3 to 5 years, give or take. Oh, they're great for sensitive skin, obviously, because, like, I wish you guys could feel this. If you don't own one of these, don't walk, run, go get one, because it's just so soft. So very soft. Alright. And they're also to help eliminate waste. Man, I want my pillow to feel like this. I'm so sad about that now. So, excuse my super enthusiasm over that. They're supposed to be 100% vegan, cruelty-free, environmentally friendly, hyperallergenic. They're made in the USA, if that makes any difference for everybody, and they're EU approved. I'm not sure what EU approved is. I don't have any knowledge of what that refers to. If somebody knows, let me know, but it's approved on the box. So, like you saw, they came in this little brown box, and the boxes that they come in individually are these as well. They do seem to have a QR code on them of some kind. And you can also go to makeuperaser.com, or you can go to their Instagram page. You can also hashtag no more wipes, which I will as soon as I get the photos for these done. But let's see what this little pamphlet is. Okay, so the pamphlet shows the original makeup eraser, the pink one, and it tells you basically all the things that you can do. You can wash it, wet it, how to use it. It says the short fibers. Okay, sorry, I saw flashing all of a sudden. The short fibers are to erase the makeup, and the long fibers are to exfoliate. So this side is the exfoliating side with the little handle on it. And this is the eraser side. The only issue I have with this little handle, even though it is a satin silk kind of design is that if you fold it over like this to use it, it does this weird little loopy thing. So you'd have to like push it out, and you might break it. But other than that, you could always cut it off, I suppose, and then just use it that way. But yeah, on the back, I just did notice that it does have machine washing instructions. And you can use this with fabric softener and dryer sheets, just if that matters at all. They are... Wait a minute. Oh, my bad. They are not made in the USA. It is a USA design. They are made in China. But I don't care. They flippin' soft. They can be made in Taiwan, the smallest place in the world. I don't care, as long as they are this soft every time, because it makes me happy. Alright, so if it matters to you, they are not made in China, or made, not made in China. They're not made in the US, but it is a US design. It says so on the box. I just apparently didn't read it correctly. It's on every single box they come in, apparently. It's on the big box, it's on the little box, so it's on all the boxes. And it pretty much gives you all the instructions, like in a repetitive kind of scenario. I will definitely do a thoughts and opinions, other than they are adorably soft and cute, on them later. I'm not currently wearing any... Don't you fall. I'm not currently wearing any makeup, so I'm not going to use one today. I did put a little bit of moisturizer on, but beyond that, that's really it. I didn't feel like doing makeup today. Okay, so before I geek out on how cute and adorable these darn things are, let's open this thing and see what it actually looks like. Man, they gotta put the crinkliest sounding paper on these things. Oy. Okay, so it comes in a little zippy bag, so I'm assuming you can reuse it. Alright, so for the eye patches... So the eye patches are just these little squishy, glitter-filled gel packs. I'm assuming that you just put these in somewhere cool, and then that way you can stick them on your face, and it's gonna like help relieve, you know, redness and stuff like that. So right now they're kind of room temperature, which room temperature to me is pretty cold. It's like 70 something degrees, but I'm just always cold. Come on, let go. Give me the device. Thank you. Alright, so this comes on this plastic little thing here. You just slide it off. And you got this little metal ball here. This little metal ball right here. So it seems like a pretty neat design. It does... Ooh, that is cold. Yeah, right out of the packaging, and it's been sitting in here all day. It's very, very cold, so this is definitely something that... Yeah, that definitely wake you up in the morning if you're using it then. But this is definitely something that would help with the whole, like, puffiness and stuff like that. So I'm going to give those a go. I'm going to have to read more as to why I got 2 of them. But otherwise, I'm not going to complain too much. I'm still sad about the fact that I didn't get a second sample of this, and I couldn't try the Tatcha one that I was hoping to get. But I guess I'm just going to have to buy it later or something, or just try to get it on another go. Maybe they ran out, I don't know. But foundation isn't something I generally use a whole lot of, and there's only 3 shades in this one. There's Ivory, Warm Sand, and Coffee. Those are the 3 shades that they provide in this little sample. So if you are none of these shades, you're going to be very annoyed. It looks like that's the only shades that these come in. Because the ones on the front, it looks like the 3 in the picture. And I'm not really seeing much evidence that shows that there could be more shades. I'm sure you could like blend them together and create a shade, but the whole purpose is to find the one that matches you and go get that one. So I'll give it a go, see how it goes. It's just a little bit, so I might use it like a concealer bronzer scenario. I don't know. As far as the Clinique goes, I've never been a big fan of Clinique, and this one comes with 4 different shades. We have beige, toasted wheat, sand, and caramel cream. So this more ranges in your warmer toned people. So if you're light skinned or super dark skinned, they completely skipped over you on this card. I don't recall if anything was, you could pick it, you know, to say whether or not you were a specific tone or not. But if these were something that I didn't choose, then more than likely it does not go off of what my skin tone is, because I don't think I'm any of these, to be honest. So we'll see. I might just have fun with it just cuz. But I don't want to make this too long. I did spaz over the fact that these are adorably soft. So I will cut the video here. Like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you guys find as much joy in feeling something soft as I did, and you get yourself something similar. I have not found a dupe for a makeup eraser. I have not seen anyone show a dupe for a makeup eraser, so you just might have to just go out and get one. They're generally $25 no matter which ones you get. I've seen on their website themselves, not Sephora, but actual makeup eraser, that you can get packs, and those vary in price, especially if they're holiday related or not. But yeah, I would say go grab one, and if anything, it's going to be the softest towel you ever own. So alright guys, like, comment, subscribe below if I haven't said it already, and I will see you guys later. Bye.